Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're tackling a common problem that Mac users might encounter. So, here's the issue: you're browsing through your photos in Finder, and notice that the creation dates are all wrong, displaying the same incorrect date for a bunch of files. Frustrating, right? But fear not, we've got a solution for you. In order to fix this problem, all you need to do is open and close the files in question. Simple, right? Just select the files, open them, using Preview for example, and then close them. Finder might throw a little warning your way about opening multiple files, but just hit OK and carry on. Once you've closed all the files in Preview, voila! The correct creation dates should now show up in Finder. And if this method doesn't work, you can always explore using EXIF tool to update the metadata based on the correct EXIF data. Easy peasy. So to sum it up, if you're facing the issue of incorrect creation dates for your files in Finder, just remember to open and close them to refresh the data. And if all else fails, there's always EXIF tool as a backup option. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy organizing, folks.